So me not too long wake up. If you no zoom me camera good, you know we see matter in me eye. But me just jump here so for come tell you now how me feel about this Erica and Spice situation. If you not hear my voice, you no know say me just wake. But we just want to talk about it. So let's talk about it. If you don't watch the show, I don't want nobody come in my comment section come say if leave the people them alone. Me invest in the show. Me spend my money on Amazon Prime and buy it. Okay? $24.99. Me spend my money on Amazon for buy the whole season. So me invest in there. So me I go talk because me spend my money, I'ma watch it. Me take my own time when me could have invest in my own business and me do it. So me I go talk about it because it depends on my mind. So nobody no come tell me about leave the people them alone. So I make that clear. Wanna like the video and share it too. Yes. Anyways, me I go talk about it because I watch the show. And you know, I watch the show because of Spice. And be honest. Cause me no watch no other show apart from Bachelor. So I really watch the show because of Spice. Me catch up on the whole series because of Spice. The whole seasons them. Me watch them day in, day out behind one another. So season 11 now, I'ma pay me $24.99 per Amazon Prime. I'ma watch it every episode. Cause I don't have the time to watch it on Tuesday night when it come. So me invest. I'm gonna talk my mind. Some people might not like it, but that's truth. Anyways, me watch the season Tuesday gone, and when me realize is that Spice upset. Spice and Leo like myself, yeah, you know. Spice born the 6th, me born the 10th. When me see, me I go off of my assumptions. So, me make that clear. When me see is that Spice upset because of what Safaree said. She upset, and me would have upset too. Remember, you know, Erica the kind of person where I talk up and I laugh with her, you know. And one thing with Leo people, them, you know, they don't play a hypocrite. They don't like it. So Spice upset. That's how me feel. Spice upset. So it's like she can't stand Erica right now. So even though Erica come at the dinner when what's your name? What's your name again? Set up the dinner for the two of them. Even though Erica come at the dinner and I try to put out pity things towards Spice. Spice don't see what she depend because if me can depend my dying bed and you cannot pass certain remarks about me, what Safaree say. Why Safaree I cry for that bitch when Safaree find out say Spice him see say Spice up on the internet and him hear them as say Spice dead. You understand? Safaree send one voice note and say please answer me. Tell me say it's not true, blah blah blah. Whatever him say, me no remember. But it's like him hurt. Remember I know Safaree are Jamaican. Spice are Jamaican, and where people don't understand, Jamaican have this thing about them where them care about each other even though them at war. Them have them gut feelings about each other. Them love them one another. So when Erica passed certain remarks about Spice, Safaree tell back Spice. And that caused Spice to have off Erica. Because Spice is not a hypocrite. And if she even do play like a hypocrite here and there, yeah, she will do it to survive, but she's not a deep down hypocrite. So when Erica go on like she and Spice a friend, that trigger Spice. And when Erica come with her pretty talk now and I say, you're a single mother and you're this and you're that and I admire you, you know what I admire you for and blah blah blah, this, that. When she come with all of that, Spice not want to hear that. Because first thing in her Spice head is she's just a hypocrite. So you know a hypocrite when you see one. And that is what the problem is in a Spice head. That's what I feel is the problem is in a Spice head. So no matter what Erica Dagger come with, Spice just never Dagger by it. As Mr. Me ear look crazy. Alright now. The fact that Erica can sit down and talk about her husband so with Bambi and Sierra. And not just Erica, but the whole of them. You know, these three women, how they slaughter them man and do their husband. Remember, you know, they married, you know. And their husband, they sit down and chat so with friend, you know. Yo, when you watch the show, it make me sick. Even though me invest in the show. I watch the show, but sometimes I wish them three part they not come. That part they not come with the three of them. Oh, they sit down and slaughter the man them. Erica talk some things out her mouth. It just disgusting. And she have a daughter. So when, go back to Spice now. When Spice say, when Spice say, you go on like you're the only woman where divorce and have 2 kids. Me been doing it for 16 years. And she get up now and say, she been doing it for 16 or 18. Me no remember how old her son is, cause me never known nothing about Erica's son. Me no know nothing about her son. Because she not talk nothing about him. So it's like him, me no know. It's like him not in her life like that. Or him not live with her or whatever. And Spice say, your son will not like you. Me no see nothing wrong with that. It's like Spice upset. Me no see nothing wrong with it. Because if somebody tell me that, and me no say I not truth, then me not gonna feel no way. But if I truth, my mind go off like that. Me not gonna lie. My mind go off like that. If me no say I not truth and it a bother me, I try to build a relationship with my child, and somebody come and tell me that, maybe me would have upset. But at the same time, Spice just I try to get back at Erica, cause maybe she feel like that would have upset her based on all the way she say about her and when she hear back. Cause it's not just what Safaree say. Spice says she been not hear things with Erica say about her. And then when she see her, she'll laugh up with her. So now if you pick sense out of nonsense, Spice feel like that we get her. So Spice I choose one thing where we get her. You see how much time she repeat herself? She knows that we get her back. For hurt her feelings, because she hurt for her feelings by the things that when she had talk about her and she had hear it back. No. With Safaree, we are come back now. Look how this woman talk about her husband, and Safaree can sit down at the table with Spice and say he must sleep with him ex-wife same way. Now she come out and she cuss the man like dog every time from the season. She talk like him is nothing but a dog. And then you see him wanna go back behind closed door go sleep with a man there. That would have never happened for me. No. You're mad? I would have never go sleep with somebody when me talk about like that. And just how these three women sit down and talk about them man. It's just disgusting. Like nobody no want to hear all of them things. The man now abuse you. If the man go cheat, it's a regular thing for man. Man always a cheat. And when they say they not cheat, a lot of them still cheat. You just don't know about it. And some of the things that my Erica say, it's like she jealous over Spice and Safaree. Like Safaree and Spice involved. If they're not involved, where you make it a bother you for? You say you divorce the man and you don't want the man, and you divorce the man. And then now when you listen to the show, Safaree, I come back and say, he sleep with her. Like, you cannot talk them something about a man. Like, where is your self-esteem? You cannot talk them something that the man not treat you right. The man do you this, the man do you that. And you find yourself in a bed with that same man there. Like, then you go back and you go slaughter the man with your friends them. You go back and you talk all these kind of things about the man, and then the man will come and say you sleep with her. He sleep with you. So behind closed door, it's like back a dog, back a dog, and in front of dog, miss a dog. So you are deal with the man a certain way behind him, in back, and then you turn on and sleep with him. What kind of example them there she has set for her children them? Like me been and watch Erica on the show, and her behavior, and when she go call Spice blue monkey or black monkey, whichever one she call, it no matter. That is discrimination. And when Spice say is most something why she say her son no like her. She come and say she been a do it for 16 years, and it's like Spice I try to point out to her say, You do it for 16 years, but your son not like your, you know, how them attack is like she not involved in her son life. That are all them, you know, when you look upon it in it. Like she not see the son all long and whatever. I mean, I know the facts of the story, but I saw it sound on the net. Like she not involved in a little boy life like that. So, I don't understand where Erica get up and go and suffer and then as time. And now we see all kind of people at chat, all kind of things about Spice wrong and Spice shouldn't call name and them something like Spice a go off her feeling she hurt. And me not try to bash Erica, you know. No, me not try to do that. The fact of the matter is where me gather in my thoughts is that is my ideas, you know, from gather from them conversation. It's not a fact, but it's just where me gather in my knowledge. When Erica say she want a divorce from Safaree, it's like she expects Safaree to come drop down on the floor and beg her, no, don't divorce me. Me think she do it out of anger. That's how me think. She do it out of anger and expect better in return. And Safaree no want a divorce because she knows that him have a little weird side where him love cry and them something there. So, cause me not understand. You cannot talk them something there with your friend and not do your man them way there and then you go back go sleep with him behind closed door. That never that go leak. You did the man so bad. Like what kind of example you set for your daughter, father, your daughter, father and son, your child father. Like me not think some of them need something necessary. And then when you really look how she talk, when they call the camera, you know, for set up Safaree things say him go get off. That's what me think. Sometimes the conversation them is like she call for set him up but Safaree not talk. You understand? Safaree not talk. Him coming like some man where just hold them one. In not talk, I just share alone and say certain things. And wanna see her behavior upon the show. It's not me not defend Safaree, you know. But it's not a one it takes two to make an argument. And I just feel like, you know, a lot of what Safaree I go through, we don't know. So me not judge him. Because based on how Erica attitude is on the show, any man could have been frustrated because the behavior there is not wife material behavior. And as a wife, you're supposed to be respectful and not just a wife, but as a woman. And just how them behave on the show, Jesus. It just come like the ghetto girls them from the hoods we not care and it just not even mad enough to behave so. If you set example and be role model for your children them. And that is just my point. You know, these are not facts, it's just my assumption when we draw from the show. Anybody want to say, drop it in the comment section. I don't say already. That is my view. Invest in the show, me pay for it, me take my time, sit down and watch it. Don't come tell me about leave them alone or whatever. Me watch them, me spend my money. I'm entitled to talk how I feel about it. May I express myself. This is my assumptions and this is my view on it. It's not facts. It's not full of facts, but that's how I feel about it. Okay? So, I don't like the video. Big up on yourself.